Okay, I'm going to do an acapella version of Caged Bird by Alicia Keys. So if it's quiet, it's because I have my headphones on. Hopefully the microphone won't crack, so here we go. Right now I feel like a bird, caged without a key. Everyone comes staring me. So much joy and reverie. They don't know how I feel inside. Through my smile, I cry. They don't know what they do to me, keeping me from flying. That's why I say that I know why the caged bird sings. All their joy comes from song. She's so rare and beautiful to others. Why not just set her free so she can fly, 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 spreading her wings in her song. Let her fly, 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 her whole world to see. Hey, hey, she's like a caged bird. Fly, fly. Just let her fly. Just let her fly. Let her fly. Spread wings, spread beauty. Hope you enjoyed that.